I am presenting to you, beautiful people, my dear friends, a poem, A Miracle Bird. A bird that visits my door every day and it never enters inside my room with respect and remains as its borderline to keep my room clean, as if the bird has its own etiquettes and manners where many other humans lack to respect other fellow beings who many times not even remove their dirty slippers or muddy shoes to keep outside and to keep my room free from dust and dirt, when that simple bird I see every day that remains outside only my door with pure simplicity and care. That bird looks straight into my eyes and smile when humans lose their innocence and forget to respect their own fellows with arrogance and humility. When my miracle bird, the nature's love and innocence that is lost in human hearts and lost even a common bird's common sense to value others' space and belongings.